Xajaweel.
Once there was a man who danced in the Rabinal Achi. He was a poor man who lived by cutting firewood. Although he was very poor, he put his whole heart into the dance. It was the day of the dance. Everyone was very excited. But the woodcutter was very sad. As he did every day, he went to cut firewood. He climbed Cahube with his eyes downcast. He heard the sound of a horse, but paid no attention. A voice said, "Where are you going? What has happened? You look very sad." "You are right, sir. I am sad because I have no money, but am supposed to dance in the Rabinal Achi. I don't have the clothes and cannot buy them, and the worst is that I am already committed to dance. I will help you, but do not tell anyone about what you see and hear. Only listen and watch. If you speak of it, you will die. Close your eyes." He did as he was told. When he opened his eyes, he was in a large city with many stores full of beautiful clothes and fabric. The man on the horse said, "Choose what looks good to you." So he chose a breastplate, an axe, a bracelet, and other things. When he had chosen everything, he put it all in a pile. Once again the man said, "Close your eyes," and so they left the magic city. It was the day of the dance. Everyone praised the masks and clothes. The woodcutter had the best clothes. His axe shone with the light of the sun. When they asked him about his marvelous new clothes, all he would say was that someone had loaned them to him. They could get no more out of him. They kept questioning without success. But the other dancers kept trying, so they got him drunk. When he was very drunk, they asked again, so he told them the truth about his clothes. When it was time to dance again, along came a whirlwind. He cried out, "Yee-haw!" The whirlwind carried him away. That was the last ever heard of him.